Hey bodgers, beautiful sunny weather, time to do the garden. Thing is, I'm getting old. The thought of going around the lawn with, you know, how long it is with a lawnmower, I'm just too old for that sort of stuff. So, what we have got, bodgers, is something else entirely. Ta-da! So, came off marketplace, dirt cheap. It's a yardman. Obviously, I think we need a tube in there, but I'll see if I can get some wind in it just so I can get it moved about a bit. New tyres all round. I don't think it's seen a lot of service. Patterns are different on the tyres, so that's something to go by. The battery is dry and dead, needs a new battery. What I will do is see if I can start it with, see, someone's been into the electrics. But it does work, I heard it running. So what I'll do is I'll get a battery for it, but in the meantime what I'll use, actually grass box. Oh, that works. Oh, there we go. So it collects grass as well, which is a surprise. Didn't think it did that, but although where the grass actually goes in, I don't know. Well, I see through there. Yeah, someone's been at the electrics, but that's for the starter. Check the oil. She's got oil in. Up to the full mark. She's a 2-stroke. It's a 8.5 horsepower. Well, what make I'm not entirely sure. She's even got fuel in. So yeah, this is what it is, bodgers. So this is going to be the next project. Get it tidied up, get it running, and see how we go. Nothing fancy, certainly wasn't expensive. Let's see if we can get it to start, shall we? Right then, bodgers. We've got it in the workshop. Took a bit of doing with the puncture that's on it. That tyre blew up. The rear tyres look fine. Wasn't able to get it started. I'm going to get a new battery for that tomorrow, and hopefully I'm going to get a new inner tube for this as well. And because, you know, it's all a bit corroded and everything, even if I take the tyre off. You see in there, lots of sharp edges and things that I'll need knocking off before I put a tube in, but hopefully that'll seal that up. It looks like someone's had it off before and it's no longer round in there really, so trying to get a seal on it is run hide into nothing. But other than that, when I did collect it, it ran. Just needs a battery, like I say, and it should be fairly serviceable. If you know anything about these, what they're called, these Yardman, I think called a Yardman Beetle, but I could be wrong. I haven't seen Beetle written on anything. Height adjustable, safety warnings. I'm assuming these are the brakes. Oh, I see. Yeah, there is a blade thing on there, so maybe that does the blade on and off. That's the throttle, I think. We'll find out once we get it going. So yeah, so that's that's going to be the latest project. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I'll be able to get to it at the weekend. If not, it's going to be into next week. So this is going to be quite a short video. If you've had experience of these yardmen, let me know. Let me know what I need to be looking for, but otherwise it ain't too bad. I mean, there's a bit of surface rust, but you know, I can take that off, paint it, and find another mat for this side, get it cut and glued down. Seat's got cracks in it, but so does my bum. So yeah, other than that, don't look like a bad machine really. So, you know, I mean, when you look at my grass, I've left it way too long. I should have done cuts earlier in the year. It's all a bit, it's just way too long. Look at it. Hopefully, this wee beastie, on its highest setting, which is where it is now, and it looks like it should be able to do the job. So there we go, bodgers. Yeah, so keep an eye out. Going to be a series probably as we get through it, do the bits and pieces. I did just get it cranking over. I used the battery off the cordless drill, and she was cranking, but it just didn't have enough juice in it, so I'll put another battery on charge. It might come out a bit later. If you see me a bit later on the video, it might well be starting for us, but if not, I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching, bodgers. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, comment below, tell us what you think. Cheers, bodgers. Ta-da.